I learned alphabets. This is a alphabet equals Z. Let's open. Wow, it's open. Oh, I clicked all alphabet letters. Wow, it's beautiful little alphabet letter. Let's start one by one. A for apple. B for banana. Where is C? Yes, C. C for cat. D. Next letter D. Oh yes, D. D for dog. Next alphabet E. Oh. E for elephant. It's beautiful. Next alphabet F. F for fish. Next in. Wow. G for grapes. Next alphabet H. Oh, where is H? Oh yes, H. H for hearts. Next alphabet I. Oh, it's beautiful I. I for insect. Next alphabet J. J for jolly. Where is K? Next alphabet K. Oh, K. K for kite. Next, where is owl? Oh yes, owl. Owl for lion. Next alphabet M. Oh, M. M for monkey. Wow. Next alphabet N. Where is N? Oh yes, N. N for nest. Next alphabet O. O for orange. And this color orange. Oh. Next alphabet B. B for pray. Next, where is Q? Where is, oh yes, Q. Q for coin. Next alphabet R. Oh, R. R for ring. Next alphabet. S. Where is? Oh yes, beautiful S. S for sign. Next alphabet. T. Where is? Oh yes. D. D for train. Next alphabet. U. U for unicorn. Oh wow. Next alphabet. V. This is a V. V for violin. Next alphabet. W. Oh yes. W. W for watch. And next alphabet. X. X for xylophone. And next, Y and Z. Oh, it's beautiful. Y. Y for yo-yo. And last alphabet, Z. Z for zebra. I hope you enjoy and fun. Hi kids, let's repeat with me. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you liked my video. If you like my videos, so please subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.